number one. For number one, this one. Can you try to circle? Okay, there you go. Then for number two, you're just going to match the following animals to its right word. Okay? For number two. Then for number three, Emily, I'm going to click start and you're going to tell me what type of animal it is. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Then for number four, you're going to repeat after me or follow after me. For example, Emily, can you say, hello, Palfish?
Hello, Palfish.
Okay, great job, Emily. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, now let's have a short greeting. So, Emily, I have a couple of questions for you. Okay, so for my first question, what is your name?
My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. Emily, I have another question. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Oh, okay, you're 9 years old. Okay, great. Then, number 3 question, Emily. What animals do you like?
I like rabbit, cat, and bird.
Oh, okay, nice to know. Do you have a pet rabbit?
No.
Oh, okay. How about cat? Do you have a pet cat?
No.
Okay, what pet do you have?
I have a rat.
Oh, I see. How many rats?
Rat.
Sorry, rabbit?
Rat. Mouse.
Oh, okay. How many mouse do you have?
I have one house.
Okay, okay. Is it a hamster? Is it a hamster? Like a breed of a mouse hamster? Or is it different? Hamster? Like a hamster?
White.
Oh, it's white. I see. Okay, thank you very much for sharing that, Emily. All right. So now, Emily, let's proceed with the lesson proper. The title of our lesson for today is Animals.
Animals.
Okay, so these are the following animals that we will be studying for today. Okay? All right. So for the first animal, this is fox.
Fox.
Okay, sorry. Fox. Okay. Next. Camel.
Camel.
All right. And, I think we won't be studying this one. But let's see. This is sorry, let me just type it in the whiteboard. Okay, you know it already. All right, good. That is a giraffe. That's correct. And the last one is
Rabbit.
All right,
Rabbit.
correct. Very good, Emily. Those are the 4 animals that we will be studying for today. Great. Okay, so now, Emily, we will be listening to a song. Okay, let's listen first to the song.
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop,
Hop.
running, 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 running. Now let's stop.
Okay.
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop.
Okay, good job, Emily. Good job. Very good. Okay, now let's say and blend the following letters. Okay, let's blend and say the following letters. Okay, first, let's read the following letters. R,
R,
D,
D,
very good.
H, J, E, T, M, A, N.
Wow, very good, Emily, very good. Okay, now let's make the sounds. Can you try to make the sounds of the following letters?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the letter D, we have the word da, da.
Da, da.
Okay, great. Then for H, for the letter H, ha, ha. Okay. How about for the letter J? J,
J,
j.
J.
Okay, for the letter M, mm, mm.
M, M.
Okay, for the letter T, okay, for the letter N, n, n.
N, N.
All right, for the letter R, r,
R.
sound, r. Sound. Okay, then for the letter E, short E.
E, E.
Okay, for the short A, ah.
Ah, ah.
Okay, there you go, the ah sound. Okay, now let's blend the sounds. Okay, so let's read the following word. Let's combine H, E, and N. So you're going to pronounce it as hen.
Hen, hen,
Okay, very good.
hen,
Hen.
hen.
Okay, then next, let's
Red,
combine
red.
the following. Okay, there you go,
Red.
very good. Red.
Red,
Great, very good. Next, how about this one? H-A-T.
hat, hat,
Hat. Hat.
hat, hat.
Great. And let's combine J-A-M.
Jam, jam,
Jam.
jam,
Oh, jam.
jam.
Great, very good, Emily. Good pronunciation. Good job. Very good. That is your first star for today. Great job, Emily. Very good. Good job on the pronunciation part. Great job. Very good. Okay, now let's read the following chant. Okay, so look at the picture. So let's read together. Yes, correct. So a red hen in a red hat.
A red hen in a red hat
Okay, is eating red jam.
is eating red jam.
Run, red hen, run.
Run, red hen, run.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Emily, I have a question for you. Who is wearing a red hat?
Hen,
Okay, correct. So it's the hen. So it's the
the
hen who.
hen.
Okay, very good. Then another question. Emily, who is eating jam?
Hen,
Okay, correct. It's also the hen. Very good. Okay, so Emily, which animal is looking at the hen? Which animal is looking at the... Okay, correct. So it's a fox. You're correct. It's the fox who is looking at the red hen. Great job, Emily. Very good. Okay, look. Paul, Shelly, and Phil are having a school trip. They are in an art gallery. The guide will introduce some paintings of animals to them today. Okay? All right,
Okay.
Emily. What? animal is this?
It's
What
fox.
Okay, correct. It's a fox. So I have a question for you, Emily. What color is the fox?
It's
What?
red and yellow.
Okay, correct. So it's red and yellow. How about the tail? What's the color of the tail? There's
It's
a
red.
combination. Okay.
It's red and white.
Okay, so it's red and white. Or sometimes it also looks like an orange in my part. Okay. So there you go. Thank you very much for describing the color. So Emily, I have a question. Do you want to make friends with a fox?
Yes,
Okay, why do you want to make friends with a fox?
I want. Yes, I want.
Okay, yes. Why do you want to make friends with the fox? Why? Why do you want to make friends?
Because it is cute.
Okay, yeah, it's cute. Exactly. The fox looks very cute. And they're also huggable because of their fur. Oh, okay. All right, that's okay. All right, thank you very much for answering my question, Emily. Next. Okay, so now let's learn, where does a fox live? Okay, so a fox lives in the
Live in
forest.
the forest.
Correct, they live in the forest. Okay, so where there are a lot of trees. See, there are a lot of trees in the forest and also
There are a
plants.
lot of trees in the forest.
Correct, very good. All right, so Emily, I have another question for you. What would you want to do in a forest? Would you like to draw? Would you like to read? Or would you like to play in the forest?
Play.
Okay, you like to play. Why do you like to play in the forest?
Because forest is beautiful and funny.
Okay, because the forest is a beautiful place and
Mm,
what's the other one?
mm,
And
in the forest, playing is very happy.
okay, so you'll feel happy when you play in the forest. Okay, I see. And it's very spacious at the same time. So there's a lot of trees, a lot of flowers and plants that you can see in the forest. Also some animals. Okay, all right. So Emily, the second animal that we will be studying today is a camel.
Camel.
Okay. So Emily, look at the back of the camel. Look at the back of the camel. It has two humps.
Two hands.
Yes, correct. It has two humps at the back. This is where they store their water supply, or that is a water storage for the camel. That's why they can stand longer in the desert. Okay? All right.
Okay.
So, Emily, can you circle the two humps of the camel? Can you circle the two humps of the camel? Oh, that's okay. All right, there you go. Okay. So, I have another question for you, Emily. Do you want to keep a camel as your pet?
No.
Okay. All right. Why you don't like to keep a camel as your pet? Why you don't like camel as your pet?
No.
Is it because it's too big? Is it because it's too big? That's why you don't like it to be a pet?
It is too not beautiful.
Okay. It doesn't look adorable or cute. Okay, I see. Okay. All right. There. Okay, this time, let's learn, where does a camel live? Okay? So a camel lives in the desert. So in the desert, it is very hot in the desert. There is no water. It's just plain sand. Okay? And there is no rain in the desert. It's really hot in the desert. It's really hot. Okay. So that is where the camel lives. Again, sorry?
Desert. Some trees is in the desert.
Yes, correct. There's no rain in the desert. And it's very hot in the desert. Okay, so I have another question for you, Emily. Where do you want to go camping? In the forest or in the desert?
In the desert.
Oh, you like to camp in the desert? Why in the desert? Why do you like to go camping in the desert?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. It's okay. All right, that's okay. If you're going to ask me, I would like to go camping in the forest because there are a lot of trees, so it's not really hot. Okay.
I don't like desert.
Oh, okay. You don't like desert? Okay, I see. All right. Okay. Then, Emily, the third animal is a
Shark.
Okay, it's a shark. Okay, Emily, can you circle the shark's sharp teeth? Okay, there you go. Very good. Okay. Okay, Emily, I have a question. Do you have a sharp teeth like the shark? Okay, correct. How about you, Emily? Do you like sharks?
No, I don't like sharks.
Okay.
Because shark is too mean.
Exactly. They like to eat everything or anything in the ocean, including us humans. Okay. So be careful when you're in the ocean. They usually attack. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, let's learn where the shark lives. Where does a shark live?
Shark lives in the ocean.
Okay, correct. They live in the ocean. Okay, so in the ocean, it is full of salt water. Okay, it's full of salt water. Okay, so Emily, I have another question for you. Where would you want to live? In the forest, in the desert, or in the ocean? And why? Where do you want to live?
In the ocean.
Okay, why? Why in the ocean?
Because ocean is very beautiful.
Exactly. You'll see a lot of beautiful sea creatures as well on the bottom of the ocean and different types of fishes and sea creatures. Okay, all right. So thank you very much, Emily, for answering my questions. Now, let's listen, pronounce, and clap. Okay? So let's proceed.
Okay.
Fox,
Fox.
forest,
Forest.
camel,
Camel.
desert,
Desert.
shark,
Shark.
ocean.
Ocean.
Great job, Emily. Good job. Okay, now let's listen and match. Can you help Paul find the fox? Can you match Paul to the fox? Great. How about the camel? Can you help Paul find the camel? Where's the camel? Okay, there you go. How about the giraffe? Can you help Paul find the giraffe? Where? There you go. How about the shark? Can you help Paul find the shark? Yay! Great job, Emily. Very good. Good effort. Great job. That is your second star for today. Great job. Very good. Next. Look at this map. Where is the ocean? Can you circle the ocean for me? Great. Where is the forest? Can you circle the forest? Great job. How about the desert, Emily? Can you circle the desert? Great job, Emily. Very good. Good job. Very good. That is your third song for today. Very good. Well done. Okay. Could you pop the fox? Can you pop the fox? Yay, one more. There's one more fox. Great. How about the shark? Can you pop the shark? Great. And the last one, how about the camel? Can you pop the camel for me? Yay, nice work, Emily. Very good. This is your fourth star. Good job. Bravo, well done. Okay, this time, tell me what animal is it or where is it, okay? Let's start. What animal is it?
Is fox.
Very good. It is a fox. Where is it?
It's forest.
Very good. What animal is it?
It's shark.
Very good. Oh, sorry. Where is it?
It's desert.
Correct. Where is it?
It's ocean.
Great. And what animal is it?
It's camel.
Correct. Bravo, Emily. Bravo. This is your fifth star for today. Yay, you have a perfect score of 5. Well done. Excellent work. Okay, now, can you please drag the following animals to its right home?
The camel.
Okay, the camel lives in the... Go ahead.
In the desert.
Very good. How about the next one?
The fox lives in the forest.
Yay, great. How about the last one?
The shark lives in the ocean.
Great job. Very good, Emily. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let's spin. What animal is it?
Camel.
Okay, so where does that camel live?
In the desert.
Very good. Can you circle the desert in the picture? Yay, very good, Emily. Very good. What animal is this?
Bird.
Correct. So where does the bird live?
In the forest.
Correct. Can you circle the forest, Emily? Oh, okay. All right, very good. What animal is this?
Monkey.
Where does the monkey live? Okay, there you go. Correct. It's correct. Very good. It's also the forest. Oh, what animal is this?
Spider.
Okay, where does the animal live, or where does the spider live? Okay, correct. It's also in the forest. Ooh, what animal is this?
Fish.
Okay, so it's a fish. Where does the fish live? Where does the fish live? Okay, so they live in the ocean. Okay, great. What animal is this?
Sea turtle.
Okay, so where does the sea turtle live? They live in the... Okay, correct, in the ocean. All right, very good, Emil. Good job. Okay. Oh, which animal lives in the forest? Can you drag or can you match? Can you match the following animals that lives in the forest? Who else lives in the forest? Okay, very good. All right, what else? Okay. Oh, right, there you go. Okay, correct. So because a duck, they live in the water. That's the only exemption to this picture. Okay, very good, Emily. Very good. Great job. So this is a deer,
Deer.
cow,
Cow.
fox,
Fox.
bear,
Bear.
and this is a wolf.
Wolf.
Wolf. Okay,
Wolf.
there. All right, great. Okay, which animals lives in the forest? Can you match the following animals that lives in the forest? Desert. Which animals lives in the desert? Correct, it's a camel. Very good. What else lives in the desert? Correct, it's a snake. All right. Okay, yeah, correct. The lion is also lives in the desert. Okay, so very good. So there are only 3 animals that lives in the desert. Correct. So this is a...
That is yellow water.
Oh, okay, for the little water. Okay, that's correct. So the duck also lives in the water because there's water in there. Okay, good. Okay, so let's pronounce the following animals. Snake,
Snake.
lion,
Lion.
duck, and
Duck.
camel.
Camel.
Okay, how about the next one? Which animals lives in the ocean? Which animals lives in the ocean? Can you match? Okay, very good. So there are only 3. So the shark,
The shark.
fish,
Fish.
and crab.
Wow.
Okay, so they live in the ocean. Okay, so Emily, in this lesson, we learned the following words. Could you please repeat after me? Fox, forest, camel, desert, shark,